Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Range Rover. This one is a Santorini black. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 supercharged with 380 horsepower and 339 pounds of torque. This one has 20-inch multi-spoke wheels. Black leather interior. Panorama sunroof. 3-way climate controls. HSE Range Rover and Rover badging. Power liftgate and power tailgate. Clean set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats. Blind spot assist, keyless entry. Meridian sound system, running boards, Range Rover illuminated door sill, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera with sensors, touchscreen climate controls, heated seats, our turn wheel for our different driving functions. This Range Rover has 22,667 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Range Rover, visit us at feldmannimports.com.